Welcome to another episode of KISS Principles of Chemistry. Today we're going to be working through molecular formula when given the empirical formula. For this example, we will be using the empirical formula from the last lesson I gave, which is C4H5N2O1. And we're given the molecular mass of 194.19 grams per mole. So what we need to find out now is our first step is to find out the mass of the empirical formula. So we have carbon, which carbon we have 4 times 12.01 grams as found on the periodic table. We have hydrogen, which is 5 times 1.01 grams found on the periodic table also. Nitrogen, we have 2, and the mass on the periodic table is 14.01 grams. And oxygen, we have 1, which its mass from the periodic table is 16 grams. So we're going to multiply those together and then add them up together. Once we have added all the masses together, we find that the empirical formula mass is 97.11 grams. We know that the empirical formula is the least reduced number of subscripts that are divisible into a whole number. And we know that with molecular formula, we're trying to find out what number should we multiply all the subscripts by. So we're going to take the mass, the molecular mass, which is bigger, and we're going to divide it by the empirical formula to find out what number we should multiply everything by. Notice again that our grams will cancel. When we do this, we will find out that we will be multiplying everything by 2, because 194 divided by 119 will give us about 2. Given our empirical formula of C4H5N2NO1, and we know we have a multiplier of 2, if we do this multiplication to 1, we have to do it to all to get the mass to be doubled. So we are going to have now 4 times 2 for carbon, hydrogen will be 5 times 2, nitrogen will be 2 times 2, and oxygen will be 1 times 2. So we're using our empirical formula to find our new molecular formula. So in this case, our molecular formula will be C8H10N4 and O2. So in this case, our molecular formula goes back to our percent composition example we did, which is for caffeine. Thank you. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Have a good day.